Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Subaru Outback garage door opener. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage. To clear any existing codes, press and hold the two outer home link buttons. The indicator light will flash slowly at first, then rapidly after about 20 seconds, confirming the memory is cleared. Release the buttons once the rapid flashing begins. Now, let's train a home link button. Position your original garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the chosen home link button and your garage door remote's transmit button. Continue holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid, consistent flash. This indicates the signal has been learned. Next, we need to sync with your garage door opener. Go to your garage door opener motor unit, usually found on the ceiling. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button. You typically have about 30 seconds to return to your vehicle. Once back in your Subaru Outback, firmly press and release the home link button you just programmed 3 times. The garage door should activate. Finally, test your newly programmed home link button to confirm it operates your garage door correctly. If it doesn't work, you might need to repeat the entire process, ensuring you hold the buttons long enough. You can program up to 3 different garage door openers using the home link system. For an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Find the link for this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.